Hi, this is a little video about the farm for those of you who've never seen it. It's also a way for me to test out a bunch of stuff with the new camera and trying to debug a problem that I've got with my video editor. I'm at the farm doing this, so I thought I'd just shoot a little travelogue. This is standing at our next door neighbor's place looking at the front of our farm. This is the way it'd look if you came down here from the north, and that's Highway 88, and that's the wetland that's in front of our place. You're sort of looking west at this point. And those hills off there that are coming into the picture, those are bluff prairies. That one that's got the couple of little cedar trees on it, we call that sumac prairie. And that one that's in the middle now, on the far side, that's the one we call Big View Prairie. And now we're back at Highway 88. We'll sort of zip forward, move to the middle of our place, give you a close-up view of sumac prairie. Can't really see the sumac, it's spring right now. But you sure can see those birch trees. We hate those birch trees. We're getting rid of those as fast as we can. The way we do it is we girdle them and then they fall down in the wind over the next couple of years. This is a picture of the house way back up in the valley. I'll zoom back out. And you can see it's way back there. That hill up behind it is the prairie we call Indian grass prairie, and that's the driveway that I plow when the snow falls. It's a pretty good driveway. There's a better view of Big View Prairie. That's the one up on top, and then down below the planted prairie is Pine Point Prairie. So there's the driveway. Now we're standing at the top of the driveway and sort of panning across the wetland, and pretty much the same view. There's the house way back there. That dot's the trailer. And another shot of Big View. And I think, yeah, there we go. So we're coming in. Those willow trees, that's Willow Bend. There's a creek down there. You can't really see it, but there's a little creek that runs all the way through all of our wetlands. And all this light stuff that you see in the wetland there, that's reed canary grass. That's an invader. We're trying to get rid of that. It's a lot of work. It's really hard. We're getting there, but oh boy, it's a lot of work. Anyway, back to the driveway. Let's zoom down. You can see that dot down there? That's the sign that we're going to zip down to as our next stop. Whoop, that's the sign. And there's an easement on this place, so you can't do a bunch of stuff. You can't farm it and can't divide it. Can't put houses on it anymore because we put an easement on it so that you can't. And this is the little now I've jumped forward just a little bit. Now we're looking up the wetland. That's looking back the way you came. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin all the way around. I can't really... Oh, no, I guess not. Oh, what's this? This is more wetland. There's the road looking up toward the house. Little willows. All pretty bare at this time of year. So there's the more of the wetland, sort of looking back out, again back up toward Dave Torque's place, and swinging back toward the road so we can walk further in. There's the house on the road. Yeah, you can't see the house at all. See, we're under the flight path for the jets from Chicago. You go right over. It's kind of nice. This is a picture of Pat's Prairie. This is the one to the left of the road as you drive in. That's a planted prairie. There's a little cut through there to Again, and you can even see the little deer path that walks up to the top. And again, swinging up toward the house. More driveway. And off to the right is what we call Center Valley Prairie. Oh, this is the same. Now we've moved up the road and we're looking. There's the trees. We left those. We had a lot of those pine trees. We left those for the wind. They sound really good when the wind blows through them. More woods and prairie, the planted prairie off there. Lots of birch trees to kill here too. I figure in about 150 years we'll have this thing whipped in shape. The strip, the lower strip is the part we planted. The upper strip is just, I just mow it. Now we've jumped up to the fork in the road. So if you come up here, stay right. Don't go this way toward the house. It looks like a shortcut, but that road's pretty tough if you got a regular human type car. When you turn over and drive up in front of the house, it sort of scrapes the bottom of your car as you go up. So now we'll zoom forward just a little bit and turn back toward the house. This is the curve you take when you are bending around toward the house, and by this time we'd know you were there. We'd be standing right there on the porch waiting for you. And that's my little tour, my little tiny tour. Welcome to the farm.